do birds fly? Birds have light feathers.
Birds use their strong chests to move their wings. But some birds, like ostrich and penguins, could not fly.
Did you know owls cannot move their eyes? They turn their heads almost all around.
Can a bird make itself? There must be a maker. Let's think together. Who made birds wing? Who made birds?
Who taught birds to fly?
Some birds sleep with one eye open. Penguins sway but don't fly. Birds help their babies. We help our friends. Allah is Al-Musawwir,
The shaper of beauty.
Allah makes bird many shapes.
Only Allah can make so many pretty birds.